Hi, mathematicians. Today we're going to do a special lesson. All right, this time we're going to start off with a story problem. So listen to my story. There are 17 students. 10 of them are wearing a green shirt, and 7 are wearing a pink shirt. So you can get some objects to work with me like I have done. You know, I've been cleaning and sorting and finding all kinds of things I never threw away. Good thing. That's working out for me really well these days. All right, or you could draw a picture. All right, I'll say the story again. There are 17 students. 10 are wearing green shirts, and 7 are wearing pink shirts. We can imagine this is our classroom. All right, I have already done the green. These are hard to pick up. I'm going to put on the pink shirts. 10 green and 7 pink. All right, so take a look at our 10 groups. We have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, and then 5 on the bottom. 5 and 5 make 10. Counting it individually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it's much easier to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you're also starting to remember that double 5 and 5 is 10. All right, so we have 10 students with green shirts, and we have 5. Oh, hold on. I need to check my work. How many did I say? 7. Uh-oh, I did too many. 5, 6, 7. Ooh, good thing I went back over that. All right, my friends. 10 and 7. All right, so we've been working a lot with, say, 10. And I really want you to understand that when we get into bigger numbers, we need to still think about 10. All right, so when we count this, we could count it like this. Remember the say 10 way is 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7. All right, and some of you I know are thinking about it. Another way that you can say that, right? 10, 7 is the same as 17. Yes, you know that, don't you? Okay, all right, but I want to show you why we really focus on the say 10. All right, so we have our 10, right? 10 green shirts and 7 pink shirts. All right, now watch what I'm going to do. We have our 10 and our 7. All right, 10 and 7. And this is so important, my friends. We need to put them together, right? We've been doing this. We've been doing adding, and we've been adding fluently, but watch this. We put them together like this. Look at that. And there's our number 17. So, my friends, what we need to do is this magic. We have our 10 and our 7, and we put them together. And then, what happened? What did you notice? Where did the 0 go? Is it gone? No. It just kind of disappeared. It's invisible. It's hiding. It's hiding underneath the 7. So, it's still there. This isn't a 1. It's still a 10, but the 7 is hiding on top of the 0. All right, so I like to think about it hiding back there, but it's still there. This helps us know that 17 is a group of 10 and a group of 7 ones. Isn't that awesome? All right, should we do some more? All right, so let me take these off. Let's do another story problem. This time, let's see, let's change it. Let's stick with our clothing. All right, there are 13 students. 10 are wearing green shirts and 3 are wearing yellow shirts. All right, so you can get some objects and work with me. You can also draw a picture on your whiteboard or a piece of paper. So let's say it again. There are 13 students. Did I say that? I'm not sure. There are 13 students. 10 are wearing green shirts, and 3 are wearing yellow shirts. All right, so we need to show this our say 10 way. When we count it the say 10 way, we're going to say it like this: 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3. Now in your brain, you are picturing this, right? 10, 3. So again, I need to get my 10. Here's my 10. And then our 3. And I'm going to take this, and just like this, I'm going to take it. I like to put it together. I'm going to hide the 0. All right, I'm hiding it. It's invisible, but it's not gone. It's still there. But when we go to write it, when we go to think about this bigger number, we need to remember that 10 is still there. Sometimes people get confused with the team numbers and they think, oh, this is a 1. This is not a 1. This is a 10. It will always be a 10. All right, in this case, it's 10, 3. And how do you say it the regular way? The way your parents learned, the way I learned. We say it 10, 3. Excellent. So when we go to write it, we're going to write like this: 10, 3. 10's there, 3's there. We just hide the 0. All right, should we try another one? Yes, okay. All right, so let's move this out of the way. And let's see, let's stick with our shirts. All right, let's see. There are 16 students. 10 of them are wearing green shirts. So 10 green. And 6 of them are wearing white shirts. Let's see, can those represent our white? I can say the say 10 way when we count: 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, those are sticking, 10, 6. Ooh, and did you notice that at the top? 5 and 1. Are you organizing yours just like mine? All right, so there are 16 students, 10 are wearing green shirts, 6 are wearing white shirts. So when we go to write this, when we write our team number, we need to have our 10, all right? There's our 10, and then 6. So we go like this. We're going to put them together. Hide that 0. Hide it. It's still there. See it? It's still there, but it's hidden underneath the 6. All right, hide that. And now we can say it the regular way. We say it 16. All right, 10 and 6 is 16. Perfect. Good job, mathematicians. All right, keep practicing. Can you come up with some of your own problems? Can you do a problem for your family? Can you do a problem for a friend and share it? How about someone in your family? Maybe your dog wants to do some math with you. All right, students, go practice some more math.